How you have been able to bring profits in the textile sector where others are finding it difficult to survive?
No, frankly, textiles, we are still not making profit. Textile is a different company. Under Pokarna Limited, we have a garment company, which is a new company, now almost 4 years old, not very new. But we are still not making profit because we are doing mostly very high quality, value added shirts for men's. And here our focus is to make the best possible shirt in the world. We procure the best raw material, that is fabric, interlining, threads, buttons from the best manufacturers of the world, convert them into garments, then basically export to Europe and America. We also do domestic business with the brand name Stanza. Now our focus is very clear that we wanted to give in the Indian market which others are not giving in terms of quality, in terms of fashion. So we have an Italian manager, we bring in the latest fashion, we bring the topmost quality possible in a shirt in terms of everything. We have a very high technology machines in the unit, mostly from Germany and Italy, and we are now making shirts for few of the most highest demanding customers of the world. We make shirts for Italy, we make shirts for UK, for Netherlands, for Germany, and also for US.
So what do you think is the soul of a shirt?
Well, starts with everything. Soul of a shirt, there is nothing that one item is a soul, because we have a line manufacturing process. So every at every step is important, right from cutting. Of course, we have Gerber cutting, so perfection in cutting. Then comes the parts preparation. We have at least 15 specialized machines for making highest quality of part of a shirt. It means whether it is collar or cuff or a placket, there are at least 8 operations to 10 operations for each of these, which is very unique by itself. So make sure every part of the shirt is handled properly, cut properly, fused properly, and then stitched properly. So even after the shirt is made, the quality control checks at every level, and also the finishing again is a very key thing. So we have very high technology press machines from Germany for finishing and pressing a shirt, where manually the shirt is not handled, it is fully automatically pressed. The body is pressed automatically, the sleeves are pressed automatically. So if you ask me, the whole shirt is important. It's not one part of the shirt. And before that, selecting the right fabric is even more important.